Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to turn off two-step verification on your Google account using the Gmail app. Let's get right into it. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Now, look at the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. From the menu, tap on Manage your Google account. This will open up your account settings. Next, swipe through the tabs at the top and select Security. Scroll down to the section called How you sign in to Google and tap on Two-Step Verification. At this point, you'll be prompted to verify your account. Go ahead and verify it. Once you're in, simply tap on Turn Off next to Two-Step Verification. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Turn Off again to confirm your choice. And that's it. You'll see a message confirming that two-step verification has been disabled for your account. I hope this helped. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.